Yeah, they're pretty good. We just decided that we just do it anyways, just because we wanted to add to the set list. It sounds really good. We wanted everybody else to hear it.
Hope you guys enjoyed it.
I'm gonna let Dirty Shirt take it away. I'm not gonna do his backgrounds or anything because
Yeah, been out since I first came out the oven. I may seem well mannered, but I'll always keep it scrubbing. They ask if you know me, know I see you shoulder shirt. Gotta show 'em what I got, make it something out of nothing. It's even me rolling green, grabbing on the microphone. If you're talking about a new this, then you need to leave the microphone. Stop it, hold on, wanna have to bust you across the fucking dome. Check my lyrics like my dog, and I always love my dog, bro. Can't say enough, but the radio is disgusting. Talk about eating the booty like a grocery store muffin. Swear to God, crack all these rappers are puffin'. You little kids in this way, you all act like it's nothing. They're saying that I'm better, but I'm not. On the airways, you girls wonder why being a slut is the latest craze. We'll come a little closer, I got something to say. Stop acting like a whore, maybe you won't get played. The underground is you ain't breaking through the surface. Been working many years and every day has been worth it. Time to step up and show the world I have a purpose. A chamber of heat, as if I was a furnace. I spit words like the loogie after a dab hit. Live TV shows up, be sure not to pass it. I always go lit, you can never be depressing. I'm keeping it real till they put me in the casket. Woo! Got the seats up, dirty shit. Gotta let Holy the seats tear this shit up.
I've been killing the scene, smoking a mad quick, kicking with the fan and talking out of the glass piece. Feeling so strong that I bullets blasting out of the heat, ripping through the back streets and blowing up factories. It's a fact, the rivers of my beginning to backbeat. As masses of the suckers, they think they can catch me. I'm forward of the reach, you still haven't even reached the peak. I was an angel that has been turning the beast. I'm the beast of the beast, I'm hungry today, I'm motherfucker. I'm like a vampire, bloodsucker, I'm coming for ya. Pictures of the red trails, they need a fairy tale. I'm as real as it can be, that your bitches huddled and scared. Full of the nightmare, hiding under your stairs. Waiting for the right time to track you, just keeping my stare. You can't avoid me, I'm a track killer for voices. These other motherfuckers get slapped in the face of like noisy.